Mula sa isang artikulo, ibinahagi nga nila ang nasabing success ng SB19, ang VMAN Southeast Asia. Ano nga ba ang binabanggit sa kanilang artikulo? Sa titulo, How SB19 Dismantles the Boy Band Trope with Wakas at Simula. For decades, the term boy band has functioned as a reductive shorthand for manufactured perfection. Groups engineered for visual appeal, synchronized choreography, and radio-ready hooks. With the release of their sprawling 24-track album Wakas at Simula, the blueprint of P-pop disrupts that framework entirely, pushing the genre into uncharted territory. This ambitious project marks a decisive turning point, signaling the collapse of the idol archetype and the rise of a more sophisticated musical movement. What distinguishes Wakas at Simula and the Beginning is its scale, moving beyond a singles-driven model. SB19 contracts a cinematic body of work that explores mortality, legacy, and rebirth. By taking full creative control of songwriting and production, the group evolves from performers into architects of their own sound. This shift is most evident in tracks like Ilaw, an unfiltered dive into the suffocating pressure of visibility. The album also embraces complexity, balancing the high-octane energy they are known for with moments of stark introspection. In doing so, it dismantles the notion that pop groups operate as mere extensions of their labels. The title Wakas at Simula fits. It represents the wakas end of the era where P-pop had to prove its legitimacy. It is the death of the trope that boy bands are temporary or superficial. Simultaneously, it marks the Simula beginning of a new era where SB19 operates as a cultural force that has moved beyond the limitation of the boy band label, with skill and discipline as the forces shaping their ascent. Samantala, aliw talaga si Stell, tuwang-tuwa sa kanyang 18, especially the berries. Sa kanyang story, sa social media, sinabi ni Stell na type niya daw yung coffee lover. Pero na-turn off nung sinabaw ko sa kanin. Iba talaga ang pagbibiro ni Stell, kaya naman marami ang natutuwa sa kanya. Anong masasay dito ng mga berries? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.